A week after the devastating floods that swept through Kerala, Bharatop, my panchayat, has seen 13 deaths, the maximum in Idukki. While elsewhere in Kerala, people are returning home, in Idukki, over a dozen relief camps remain active. Many inmates have no homes to go back to. As I stand atop the porch of my grandmother's house, which is thankfully still intact, I find that 2 other homes by the river are completely gone. Elsewhere, all along the banks of the Cherutoni, only battered remains of what were once concrete structures can be seen. In the town's low-lying areas, the river had simply brushed aside anything that lay in its path. There is no trace of the Cherutoni bus stand, one of the many development projects initiated on the riverbed. Yet, the Periyar River seems to be in harmony with my ravaged land. In a strange retaliatory act, the river has reclaimed her land.